Learn Spanish future, to be, I will be.
Ser.
Welcome to the future. Hey welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll nail the Spanish future of to be identity with
Ser.
We'll keep it fun, fast, and friendly. Goal check. Understand and say, I, you, he, she, it, we, they will be using.
Ser.
Ready? Let's time travel your Spanish. Your goal today. By the end, do can say who you will be, clearly and confidently. Key forms we'll use.
Ser.
To be, identity. Future crew. You will be.
Serás.
He will be.
Él será.
She will be.
Ella será.
It will be.
Será.
We will be.
Seremos.
They will be.
Serán.
Bonus you'll hear too, I will be.
Seré.
Mini dialogue. Time travel pep talk. Listen and repeat, quick lines you can use today. A. Tomorrow, I will be on time. B. Claro. A.
Seré.
Punctual, lo juro. A. What about you? Will you be ready? B. C.
Serás.
Incredible C practicas. A. Deal. Coach. About the team.
Seremos.
Campeones si seguimos así. Crowd. C. Announcer. Headlines say.
Serán.
Leyenda. Wow. Friend 1. And him? Friend 2.
Él será.
El líder del proyecto. Friend 1. And her? Friend 2.
Ella será.
La measure médica. Weather voice. Relax.
Será.
Un gran día. Call and response drill. Say it out loud. Do's voice powers the learning. Prompt. You will be brave. Answer.
Serás.
Valiente. Prompt. He will be the host. Answer.
Él será.
El presentador. Prompt. She will be the leader. Answer.
Ella será.
La leader. Prompt. It will be easy. Answer.
Será.
Fácil. Prompt. We will be ready. Answer.
Seremos.
Listos. Prompt. They will be champions. Answer.
Serán.
Campeones. Prompt. To be, identity, future idea base. Answer.
Ser.
Culture tip. Ser, vs, estar. Tiny tip, huge wins, avoid the classic mix-up. Use.
Ser.
For identity, roles, essence.
Serás.
Médico.
Ella será.
Jefa. Use estar for temporary states. Mañana.
Estarás.
Cansado equals you will be tired. Forecast vibe. Whatever will be, echoes in Spanish as.
Será.
Think of the song, K.
Será. Será.
Quote. Speed quiz. Fast answers, big confidence, do's got this. Fill it. Tomorrow, we ___ punctual.
Seremos.
Puntuales. Say it in Spanish, they will be happy.
Serán.
Felices. Fix it for identity, he will be the director.
Él será.
El director. Translate. It will be worth it.
Será.
Worthwhile.
Valdrá la pena.
Note. Identity uses.
Ser.
Value uses valer. Choose the base verb for future identity.
Ser.
Final challenge. Last push. Say it like you mean it, do. I will be your guide today.
Seré.
Tu guía hoy. You will be amazing.
serás,
Incredible. She will be the hero.
ella será,
La heroína. We will be stronger together.
seremos,
Más fuertes juntos. They will be on time.
serán,
Puntuales. It will be a great day.
será,
Un gran día. Core verb to remember.
ser,
Gracias and keep going. Awesome work, do. Keep practicing these forms aloud today. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thank you for listening. For more lessons, printables, and practice tools, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. You've got the future of
ser, serás.
unstoppable.